Today I want to talk to you guys about this very powerful battery operated chainsaw and blower kit. Now this is by DCK and they just sent me this product for review, but they want me to show you what it is and how it all works. So let's take a closer look. Okay, here's what you're going to get in the package with this dual setup. You will get a manual, that's for the chainsaw. You get a manual for the power supply. I'll show you that in just a minute as well. And then you also get the manual for the blower. For the chainsaw, you are going to get an 18-inch blade. Now, it does have a cover for it here. You got to take this out. It's got some more protection on it. Now, this here is the bar itself. You do need to add the chain, which is here. This is the chainsaw part of it with the very sharp edges on there. There are instructions on how to install all this together. You're not going to get a shoulder strap because this thing is pretty big and pretty heavy for being a battery operated unit. You are going to get some oil, some chainsaw oil. Okay, in the chainsaw itself, you do have a safety button here. You have to press it to be able to use the trigger, just like that. This is where the battery goes in. You got several handles here in protection. You have a cap here that opens up for the oil. That's for the engine or the chainsaw oil. There's no engine, it's electric, but the chainsaw oil goes into there. Then on the other side is where you attach the chain. So we're going to take this off. There we go. We're going to take that off. That's the cover for it. And we're going to put the chain bar with the chain on here and around. Now, there's some adjustments and everything. I'm going to go ahead and do that here in just a little bit. But that's where everything goes there. There is a button here at the top for a light, which is right here, your little LED light. Now, for the battery pack and the charger, you can see how big this thing is. This is a big battery. This is a 58 volt 5 amp hour battery. Super big, super huge. It is a little bit heavy, but that's what gives you some of that weight that you're going to need when you're using the chainsaw. And then you have the charger part of itself. Now there's all these indicators here that will tell you if the battery's charged or charging and so forth, and it just slides up in here like that and clicks into place. And you also get the blower. This here blower has your sections here for high and low. You've got your turbo button. You've got your trigger right here. This thing blows a lot. This is the 730 CFM, which is a lot. Brushless motors. Both of these are brushless motors as well. And the battery pack goes here onto the back. And then you can use a hand strap, the shoulder strap as well. Then you got all these attachments. So all these attachments will go onto here to blow what you need. So pretty cool. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get this all put together, and we're going to demonstrate and show you how it works. Okay, I have everything put together. I put the oil in here. Now, that oil was only a tiny little bit, and it looks like it's barely going under to the minimum. So you probably will have to get more chain oil, because that's just a little sampler, but it's not even filling this up to just a little line there. But I have the chainsaw on here. I have it with this. Everything is attached and screwed down and locked into place, and this makes it adjustment, so it's a pretty good tight, but it's still going to move. If I put this little brake thing out like that, I can move it, and that's fine. That's what you wanted to be able to do. Again, this is your little brake that releases that chain, and that locks it into place, ready to go. We're going to put the battery in it. It just slides in here like this. Just clicks into place like that. You can show that it's powered up there. Now, to activate the chain to go, we got to make sure that this is in that position there, because that's actually locked position. So if I hit this button and press the trigger, nothing's going to happen. So if I do this to kind of unlock it, and that makes it so if I press the button, hope you can see that here, press the button and pull the button, that lets that go, as you see. And it is pretty loud, so you might want to use some ear protection. Now, to take the battery off, we're just going to press this down and pull that out. Now, let's put it on the blower to show you the blower real quick. So the battery pack is on the blower. Now, this is your like a cruise control adjustment. So you can adjust it so it goes on automatically, or you can press the button. And this is the turbo, which goes really, really fast. It's got a lot of blowing capacity to it. very powerful. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get my protection on. You should use protection, eye protection, things like that, and gloves. I do have some wood that I can cut up here to demonstrate, and we'll see how this thing works. Okay, I do have some glasses on as well, eye protection, and my gloves. So I'm going to go ahead and we're just going to see if we can get this thing to cut. See how it goes. Okay, so there you have it. That's the chainsaw. It cut through really, really well. I have some of these logs that are too big. I need to cut them off up a little bit before I can kind of split them. But that is the chainsaw now, and it made a whole bunch of sawdust. I'm going to go ahead and use that blower and blow the sawdust off the driveway and show you how that works. Okay, I have the blower in hand, and I have this little flat nozzle. Let's go ahead and give this a blow off. Wow, just like that in seconds, it's gone. This thing is super powerful. I love it. So there you have it, a quick and detailed look at the 18-inch chainsaw and the big blower. This thing blows really well. The chainsaw cuts really well. Battery operated, so you can kind of pretty much use it anywhere. Very, very nice if you are looking for a nice little combo set like this. This one may be the right one for you.